Using your NHS account, you can order a repeat prescription from your GP. Select Request Repeat Prescriptions. Confirm this is the pharmacy you want to collect your medicines from. Select Change to change your nominated pharmacy. Select Continue to confirm this is your pharmacy. Select the medicines you need to request. You can add notes about your prescription for your GP surgery. Your GP may not see these notes, so if you have anything urgent to say, you need to contact the GP directly. When you are ready, select Continue. Check all the medicines you have requested are here. Select Edit if you need to add any medicines. Confirm the pharmacy and notes are correct. Select Request Prescription. You will see that you have successfully requested your repeat prescription. If you need help, go to nhs.uk/NHS app.